Lala, he ate my carrot.
Of course, he'll eat all the carrots if you guys get close enough. Put your hand out there.
She's like, oh, I'm scared.
You can do it. Oh, that's what I forgot to tell you guys. I'm going to tell you a phrase. It's called cowboy up and cowgirl up. Do you guys think cowboys and cowgirls get scared?
No.
You guys listen. You guys listen up. Well, listen up, guys. Do you guys think...
Keeps on dropping it. You get the ones
I should have done this earlier. Everyone listen. Listen while you feed. Do you think cowboys and cowgirls get scared?
No.
You don't think before they get on a big old bull they might be a little afraid?
Yeah.
But do they quit?
No.
Do they whine, I'm scared? They cowboy up and they cowgirl up. So if we see you guys getting a little afraid, what am I going to tell you guys to do?
Cowboy up.
Cowboy up and cowgirl up. You got it.
Don't horses like apples too?
Yep, they like apples. And you know what his special treat today is when we leave to go ride?
What?
A pumpkin.
Oh.
He loves his pumpkin.
He's getting a little old.